Alright, I want you all to follow me. Let's solve this question on the board. But before that, we are going to use board mass to decide the sign we are going to solve for first. Whether we are to add them first, multiply them, or subtract them. Alright, so from here, you can see that multiplication comes before addition and subtraction. Alright, that means we are going to solve this first. After it, we will now add, then subtract. Alright, okay, but before that, let's convert this and this to improper fraction. So we are going to have 3/2 plus 7/3 times 3/4 minus 1/2. So here now, 3 can cancel here. So what we have here left is 7/1 times 1/4. So you're having 3/2 plus 7/4 minus 1/2. Then from this, we are going to add before subtracting it. So we are adding these two. Alright. Now let's look for the LCM of 2 and 4. So their LCM is 4. Alright. So we write 4 here, 2 here, 2. 2 times 3, 6. Plus 4 into 4, 1. 1 times 7, 7. Minus 1/2. Now 6 plus 7 will give us 13/4 minus 1/2. Alright, so we have gotten 13/4. 13/4 minus 1/2. So the LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. 4 here, 1. 1 times 13. 13 minus 2, which will give us 11/4, which is also equals to 2 whole number 3/4. So this is our final answer. As simple as that.